Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer double integrals. Because we don't have the formula to do this integration of ds, so we need to change ds dy into dy dx. Because we change the orders in here, we need to change about the bounds. So in this one, we need to put about the s. So we need to find the bounds of s that should be greater than or equals to the square root of y and smaller than or equals to number 4. About dy, so we have y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 16. And now we need to graph about this one. So we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. And this one we have y equals to s squared. And now we need to graph about this one. We know that s is smaller than or equals to number 4, so number 4 should be in here. So because we have number 4 and this one that is about y equals to s squared. So we put number 4 gone here, and we have 4 square equals to number 16. So number 16 that is in here. So the region we need to focus that is about this one. And now we need to change the bounds. dy, so y that is about this one. So we can see that y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to s squared. About s, that should be from 0 to number 4. And the function that should be gone here. The integration of this one, so I will put s squared gone here because we have y, so that should be about 1 over the square root of s. We just consider the square root of s, that is about the number, so that's why we put like this. Ln of the absolute value of 1 plus y with the square root of s, and then we put the bounds from 0 to s squared. So I will put s squared go for y and number 0 go to y. So we have like this. We don't need the absolute value in here. So 0 gone here, we have Fn number 1. Fn number 1 equals to number 0. So in this one, we have s squared. This one, that is about the square root of s. The square root of s, that is about 1/2. Similar for this one. So number 2 minus 1/2, that is about s to the power of 3/2. This one, that is about s to the power of 5/2. So in this situation, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 1 plus s to the power of 5/2. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And this one, we have 5/2 s to the power of 5/2 minus number 1. We have 3/2 ds. Because we don't have 5/2, so we need to divide both sides by 5/2, and you got 2/5 du. That is about 3/2 ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 4, we put number 4 cone here and we find the value of u. That is about 33. Number 0 we change for number 1. Number 4 we change for 33. This one we change for u. This one with the s we change for 2/5 du. Now in this one, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to f and u. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. dv, that is about du. And this one we have v equals to u after we do the integration for the both sides. So now we keep 2/5. So that should be about 2/5 cone here. So we have t multiplied by v. And we put the bounds from number 1 to 33. Minus, we have the integration from number 1 to 33. So u divided by u, we have number 1. So 33 gone here, and number 1 gone here. So we have 33 f and 33. F and number 1, u got number 0. The integration of u, that is du, that is about u. And now we have the final answer. (33 minus 1), we have 32. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.